And I got 143,000 miles on it, but I changed oil on that car religiously every 2,000 miles. But that car is getting pretty rusty now.
Come on, come on. All right. Dashing through the snow in my rusty Chevrolet. Down the road I go, sliding all the way. I need new piston rings, I need some new snow tires. My car is held together by a piece of chicken wire. Get out! Or just flew away. I like to see the dash and then I start to pray. Frame is bent, the muffler went, the radio is okay. Chevrolet. I went to the IGA to get some Christmas cheer. I just passed up my left front tire and it's getting hard to see. Speeding down the highway, right past the Nagani cops. I had to drag my swampers to get the car to stop. Oh, rusted tires broke, the door just flew away. I light a match to see the dash, then I start to pray. The frame is bent, the muffler went, the radio is okay. Oh, how fun it is to be a rusty Chevrolet.